Alright guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead, and today we're going to be planting onion sets, so stick around. And today we're going to be working in this box, and we're going to be setting up and getting ready to plant our onion sets. Now we're going to go through the same concept. Onion sets like fertile soil. They like to be planted shallow with good fertile soil. So we got the wood chip over here. Same concept that you guys have seen me throughout most of these beds in here now. Is we're going to dig it out, we're going to put the wood chip in, we're going to bury it back over, we're going to top it off with compost, and we're going to plant our onion sets. Let's get started. Just like we said before, all the rest of the boxes that we've done so far, we got to get this dirt over there so we can get that in the box. Let's get started. All right. Yeah, this box ain't gonna make it another year. I want to get all of my soil that is somewhat loose out of here. So let's just get all this stuff that's sticking up, we'll get that laid down. And now we'll put some dirt back on. Now, I'll go to the other side. Now we're going to pull out all this. This is what I was talking about. That nasty quack grass. And see what we got here. I knew there were some big long ones in here. I'll push that all up. Here's some more. I got to be really careful because my box is just about shot. Here's one right here. Look at this, guys. Watching out for the dandelion right there. Boy. Look at them things. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we don't want in our box. We're picking these all out, getting some of the nasties out of here. And these here are just some dandelion that we're going to save. So, you guys remember what that box and how full it was when I started? And now, here's a picture right here. it has definitely come up. As you can see, you need to do some repairs on the boxes, but that'll be next spring. Alright guys, so we're getting into the end of the onions here. Or end of the box, not of the onions. So I got a problem there. I know I can get one in here. A nice round area, and I know that I can get into out here. Alright, so like I was saying before, I got a lot of room in here. So I can put one right here. And I can put one about right here. So now what I can do is I'm going to go in between my onions here. So I'll have an onion here, onion here, onion here, onion here, like I did over here. So guys, you're wondering, you can think, well, you could have just put it in your other box or your other lines there. And from what I'm seeing is, yeah, you're probably right. But I also can thin these out and use these for fresh onions or salad onions when they're coming up and they're at a certain size, and let the outer ones get bigger. I'm trying to get over 100 onions in this box. Alright guys, so we're over here on the other side. We're just going to start doing exactly the same thing that we did before. Remember, wash your tops and bottoms. You don't want to put your top in the ground. I think your onions are going to grow too well that way. And I got the top of the box here, so I'll go right here. On this side, I think I'm going to try every one, and we can thin it out and getting. So guys, I just found this one here. It's really hard. It's got a white chalk on there. Don't know if she's gonna go. We'll try her out though. Alright, so we're getting down on the onions here, so we're going to make sure that we're getting the big ones. It's also getting down to where we're running out of space in the box. So guys, if you haven't and you like what you see here, please go and check us out. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. We got a lot of things that are going to be coming up here this year. We do go live, and we're going to be doing a live podcast with the Gray Man Prepping, talking about a bunch of different stuff. So stay tuned for that. And of course, how these boxes are going to actually turn out is the other thing. So we got just a little bit of onion left out of there, out of that 100. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off. And as you can see, we have one more line in the middle. And guys, if you can, keep these. They're good for storing your garlic or whatever else. Alright, so there's 100 sets in here right now. And these ones that I'm going to put on the outer will be good salad onion. We got one crispy critter in here. Well, hopefully this one will grow. Stick him in the middle, and I'll throw this one in right here. So guys, I hope this helped you out. I hope you enjoyed our video, and please stick around throughout the season here and see how these two beds come out. Remember, we just showed you in the other one, we got the arugula and the spinach on the other box. Here's the onion box, and we got the big garden in the back. So we're gonna have a lot of different videos to show you guys, and then you get to see if this truly works. So once again guys, thanks so much for joining us. If you haven't, please hit the like, subscribe, and share button, and we'll see you on the next one. You guys all take care, and God bless.